Important question No8. Importance of studying human behavior. Society, culture and human behavior. Important questions and answers series Part 8. Importance of studying human behavior. Personal growth and self-awareness. Studying human behavior can provide insights into our own motivations, biases, and emotional responses, leading to greater self-understanding and personal development. Improving interpersonal relationships. Understanding the behavior of others helps us to communicate more effectively, build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts, and empathize with different perspectives. Effective communication and influence. In fields like marketing, sales, and leadership, understanding human behavior is essential for crafting persuasive messages, motivating others, and building rapport. Importance of studying human behavior. Addressing social problems. Understanding the roots of social issues like crime, prejudice, poverty, and violence is crucial for developing effective interventions and promoting social change. Developing effective policies and programs. In areas like education, healthcare, and public administration, knowledge of human behavior helps in designing policies and programs that are more likely to be effective and accepted. Improving mental health. Understanding abnormal behavior and psychological processes is fundamental to diagnosing and treating mental health disorders. Importance of studying human behavior. Enhancing organizational effectiveness. In the workplace, understanding employee motivation, group dynamics, leadership styles, and organizational culture is key to improving productivity and job satisfaction. Designing user-friendly technology. In human-computer interaction, understanding how people perceive and interact with technology is vital for creating intuitive and effective systems. Thank you.